Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Time to kick off the day, unload this equipment, and get to work on Red Barron. Got all the equipment and parts out of the way. Removing the sway bar. Got those 4 bolts out. After that, I got the axle out. I'm going to pull the axle out of this side. Then I'm going to get the wire harness off of it. Pull the turbo and exhaust manifold off of it. And go from there. Have the serpentine belt off. Got the turbo off. Exhaust manifold off. Got the wire and harness off and away. Got the intake manifold off. Got the engine mounts loose except for the lower torque mount. I got the idler tensioner off, so I'm going to take these accessories loose from this situation. That don't sound good. And then I'm going to lift the engine up, drain the transmission, and then pull the transmission apart from the engine, and then get the engine off of the subframe, take the subframe outside, power wash it. We got the engine and the trans off of the cradle. Unfortunately, one of these subframe bushings is destroyed. This one here. So Thomas has one that he's gonna let me have, but I need to knock all this dirt and stuff off of this one, transferred on to one of those over there. Let me take a break, come back, deal with that. Back from lunch, getting back at it. I forgot to disconnect my ground wires, busted those. Anyway, we got the subframe out here cleaned up, so I'm getting ready to pull the stuff off of the subframe and put it on another subframe that doesn't have busted up bushings. So let me go get that going. Now the engine is mounted onto the subframe. I gotta take these control arms off and swap the stuff from the old engine that we're going to use over to the replacement engine. Installed the accessory bracket off of the engine onto this RN. I got 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, but this bolt right here doesn't line up, so I only got 5 out of the 6 installed. I guess that'll be good. Here's a remix on this video because a lot of people cry, but I don't see the ball. You gotta come get it for me. I can't do it for you, man. This is a DIY video. Here are the 3 bolts that hold your alternator in. You got this one right here, 13 on this side, 12 on this side. You got this hidden one down here. That's a 12. That bolt also holds the front of this bracket on that pulley. Then you got the 3rd one in this hole right here. 12 on that side, 13 on that side. So 1, 2, 3 for the alternator. And then to get this bracket off, after you pull this one down here, you got to pull this one that comes through here from right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing this up out of the way, pull your alternator out. I hope that helps. That's it for today. I got the Red Barron's engine out there. Got a couple more things to get off of it. Then I got to pull the head, make sure the head's fine. And on the other engine I got to do the PCV, put the intake stuff on, do the wiring, and get that thing raised up. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.